Hey, welcome to another Maths Challenge question. Let's have a read of it together. So P, Q, R, S, and T are the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in some order. P, R, T, and Q, R, S are both three-digit primes. Which digit is R? Okay, interesting question. Let's just have a little think about how we're going to do this. If you want to have a go at it yourself, pause the video and then unpause, and we'll try and solve it together. Okay, so when I'm looking at this question, I immediately just want to write down PRT and QRS, as well as write down the digits that they can be. They can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's just write that down to the side here. Cool. Now, what do we know about prime numbers? Well, for three-digit prime numbers, we know that they can't end in an even number. Otherwise, they'll be divisible by 2 and therefore not prime. They also can't end in 5 because then they'll be divisible by 5 and not be prime. So we know that they must end in 1 and 3. So let's say that T equals 1 and that S equals 3. Cool, so we've already gotten rid of 1 and 3. Now we just need to think about how we can put in 2, 4, and 5 for our P, R, and Q. Okay, let's have a think about Q, R, S. What do our two digits here need to be? Well, I know one of the rules that if the sum of the digits in any number sums to a multiple of 3, then therefore that number is divisible by 3. Cool. Now let's think about all the combinations we could have for QRS with these numbers. If we had 2 and 4 here, then if we add those digits together, we get 2 plus 4, which is 6, plus 3, which is 9. That number is divisible by 3, and therefore this whole number would be divisible by 3 and no longer prime. So we can't have a combination of 2, 4, and 3. Okay, what about 4, 5, and 3? Well, if we add 4, 5, and 3, we get 12, which is divisible by 3. Therefore, that number would be divisible by 3. Therefore, the only possible case we can have is 2, 5, and 3, since those digits add up to 10. Cool. So we just need to think, is our number 253 or 523? Good question. And I've just spotted another trick. So if you have a three-digit number and the first digit plus the third digit gets you the middle number, that means that number is divisible by 11, okay? So therefore, 253 is not a prime number, and so we just have 523 as our prime number for QRS. Cool, so we've got one of the prime numbers. Now we just need to find the prime number PRT. Well, it uses R again here, and R is 2, so we can just put that one in. And then what number are we missing? Well, we've used 1, 5, 2, and 3. Therefore, we just have 4 left missing, and that's going to be our number here. But in fact, we don't even have to go any further because we just need to find the digit that R is. And R is 2. So that is our final answer, and we're done with the question. If you enjoyed the video, then check out some of my other ones, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.